event, and then we will proceed to watch the musical night as planned. So cheers. Anyways, this is Kushbu Thakur. I'm your host for the show today. Now, on this pleasant evening, organized by Africa and managed by Just Events and Entertainment, we are here to celebrate Dear Darling Day Out. Now cheers, we are here to set the world record of lighting the maximum candles across 20 venues in the world. बहुत ज़्यादा इंग्लिश हो रहा है। Dear friends, दोस्तों, हम लोग यहाँ पे गिनीज वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड की ओर से ये फंक्शन सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए इकट्ठे हुए हैं। रिकॉर्ड के मुताबिक हम लोगों को जैसे कि ये इवेंट एग्जैक्टली 20 वेन्यूज पे हैपन होने वाला है, उसी तरह से हमको ये 20 कैंडल्स वीलिंग टू लाइट विदिन द नाइट। ओके, नाउ देयर आर few guidelines which we need to follow, right? So dear friends, stay excited. We need to break the record in Guinness World. It's gonna be a successful attempt, right? And it's not gonna be easy, but somehow we'll need to follow some rules and guidelines. But after that, we will be able to make the record. Now, to help you with the grand success of this event, we have some dignitaries and officials present here from the team of Guinness World of Record. We have two witnesses here who are not representative. They will register the names of all the participants. You need to register with your visit details. After that, there are two volunteers who will monitor each and every participant. One volunteer is responsible for monitoring 50 participants. After that, we will have a timekeeper. They will accurately monitor the time throughout the entire event. Dear friends, there is a strict instruction to all the participants. All the participants need to light the candles within 15 minutes before we actually, within the 15 seconds before we actually start the event. Please be careful, we need to strictly follow the instructions. All the participants need to light the candles within 15 seconds after the timekeeper starts their speakers. Apart from that, we will also be following some other guidelines, like volunteers will be strictly monitoring all the participants. Now, within a short break, I will be announcing the names of the volunteers, logbook representative, the coordinator representative, and the two witnesses here.
यही हो जाके नीचे उतर।
So friends, we are actually going to start the candle lighting event now. Now we have a team of successful dignitaries and officials present here from Guinness World of Records. Now let me have the pleasure to introduce the team here. Your first witness is going to be Mr. Vijay Singh. Please come on the stage, Mr. Vijay. Please give him a big hand. Dear friends, he is going to be your witness for the candlelight event. So here comes Mr. Vijay Singh, who is going to be your first witness of the event. Hello Mr. Vijay, how are you? Now ladies and gentlemen, now we are going to invite the second witness of the night today, Dr. Mr. Nilesh Patel. Please welcome Mr. Nilesh Patel. He is going to be your second witness for the event today. Hello Mr. Nilesh, please give him a big hand, friends. He is going to be your witness for tonight. Now, the third and the most important person who is going to be in tonight's event is the cover letter representative, that's Biban Kaushik. Please welcome Mr. Biban Kaushik. Hello Mr. Kaushik, how are you? Please give him a big hand, friends. He is going to be one of the most important persons for setting up the world record tonight on behalf of Kamnika. That is your cover letter representative, Mr. Kaushik. Now, then we have a local representative, Mr. Jawal, who is going to register all the names of the participants. After that, we will be having the counting equal measurement officer, that is Chandra Singh. Charan Singh, please come on the stage, Mr. Charan Singh. Please give a big hand, friends. He is going to be the timekeeper tonight, who will be continuously and accurately monitoring the timing. And apart from that, we will be having other team of supporting volunteers like Mr. Mehul, Mr. Joy, Mr. Bridges, Mr. Kahil, Mr. Shamir, Mr. Nia and Punsa. A special thanks to all supporting volunteers on behalf of us. Now friends, get ready to enjoy this event. Sharp at 9:15, we will be lighting the candle. Before that, there video about. Now the first one is that the total value should be a restricted area with a single entrance. As you will see, the total value is a restricted area with a single entrance. All the participants should carefully fill in their details in the logbook. हर एक पार्टिसिपेंट अपनी डिटेल्स लॉगबुक में बहुत ही केयरफुली फिल करेगा. Then, on the exactly at 9:15, we will be lighting the candles. Friends, exactly at 9:15, we will be lighting the candles, which will happen over 20 venues in different countries. Exactly 9:15 को हम कैंडल्स जलाएंगे जो 20 venues पे एक साथ simultaneously हो रही है. Now, all the participants need to ensure that they need to light the candles within 15 seconds of time. Now, हर एक पार्टिसिपेंट की जिम्मेदारी होनी है कि जैसे टाइम पर अपना टाइम ऑन करता है उसके within 15 seconds they need to light the candles. Got it, friends? Any questions or doubts? 15 सेकंड के अंदर टाइम होने के बाद you need to light the candles. Right? Now participants are entering the venue. We have the logbook represented here. Dear friends, get ready with the lighters and matchboxes. Very soon I am going to introduce you with the logbook representative who is going to register all your details. Now we have our management team even available for the accurate time measurement. As you can see on the stage, one volunteer is responsible for observing 50 participants. एक volunteer 50 participants को monitor करने वाले हैं. Volunteers should take care that all the participants must have candles with matchbox or lighter. Volunteers ये चीज मॉनिटर करेंगे कि हर एक पार्टिसिपेंट के पास एक मैचबॉक्स और एक लाइटर एग्जैक्ट 9:15 के पहले रेडी हो. Dear friends, it's 9:05 and we are soon going to start our candlelight record. जैसे कि मैंने बताया कि हम लोग यहाँ पे करते हुए हैं आज की ये कैंडल लाइट रिकॉर्ड इवेंट को सक्सेस बनाने के लिए. नाउ इस इवेंट को सक्सेस बनाने के लिए हम लोगों को कुछ गाइडलाइंस है जो ध्यान में रखनी है. फर्स्ट चीज ये है कि बिफोर वी स्टार्ट द टाइम आई वांट ऑल द पार्टिसिपेंट्स टू बी रेडी विद अ कैंडल, अ मैच बॉक्स एंड अ लाइटर. एक्चुअल इवेंट स्टार्ट होने के टाइम पे हर एक पार्टिसिपेंट्स के पास एक कैंडल और एक लाइटर होना बहुत जरूरी है और एक्चुअल टाइम होने के 15 सेकंड के अंदर अंदर उन लोगों को कैंडल जलाना है. एंड देन द रोल ऑफ द कैमरामैन कम्स. दे विल टेक वन एरियल शॉट ऑफ द होल इवेंट एज पर द कंप्लीट गाइडलाइंस ऑफ गिनीज वर्ल्ड ऑफ रिकॉर्ड. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, I want all the participants to carefully fill in their details in the logbook. हर एक participants अपनी details logbook representative के पास जो logbook है उसमें carefully fill in करेंगे. और हमारे पास volunteers की पूरी टीम मौजूद है जो आपका monitoring करेगी. We will take care कि if the candle gets deflamed by mistake, अगर candle बुझ जाती है तो the volunteers will be disqualified if they don't light the candle again within 15 seconds. अगर कैंडल बुझने के बाद तुरंत आप नहीं जलाते हो तो वॉलंटियर्स और विटनेसेस आपको डिस्क्वालीफाई करेंगे. So make sure that your candle stays on. Right? Any more questions, friends? Any more questions? Yes or no? Okay. Thank you. I'm so excited to announce at the same time that after the candle lighting ceremony, we'll be having a rocking musical night led by the talented team of orchestra, managed by Residence Entertainment. And apart from that, we'll be having a special performance by stand-up comedian Mr. Nishesh Shah, who is going to be the drama of the evening today. Now, dear friends, be careful. बहुत जल्द हम गिनीज वर्ल्ड ऑफ रिकॉर्ड कैंडल लाइटिंग इवेंट स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं. हर एक पार्टिसिपेंट के पास एक कैंडल और एक लाइटर होना जरूरी है. Once again, I repeat the instructions. All the candidates should be ready with a candle and the lighter, and they should light the candle within 15 seconds of the announcement. Time निकलना and start होने के 15 सेकंड के अंदर कैंडल कर जानी चाहिए. And by chance अगर कैंडल बुझ जाए तो आपको उसको पूरा जलाना है, और as volunteers or witnesses might disqualify you from the event. Now only 5 minutes are left. Are all the participants ready with the candles? Yes or no? You haven't got the candles yet? Okay. I'll just check with the management that they give the candle and the lighter on time because we just got 5 minutes left. So that the management can provide you with the candles. Please keep the candles, hand over the candles to participants immediately in order to start the event. Alright, participants को जितना हो सके उतना जल्दी candles का लगाएंगे. So that we can immediately start this event now. Alright, participants, अपनी अपनी सीट पे खड़े हो जाइए please, and raise your hands. Those who haven't got it, जिन लोगों के पास candles नहीं मिली है, please raise your hands, and I request management to hand over these candles to the participants immediately. candle across many venues simultaneously at the same time. Cheers! Excited or not? Okay, अभी excitement कुछ देर पहले. हर एक participant के पास candle spot के लिए. Is there anyone who has got a candle here? So, thank you. They will start the watch now. Participants, whenever we can for all of you, raise the candle bit upward above your head. Exactly. Yes, the first way you doing absolutely fantastic. और एक participant candle अपने हाथ में ऊपर रखे. Have you all got the candle? So we start the time now. Now just blow the candle को बुझा दीजिए. एक बार टाइम स्टार्ट हो बाद में आपको 15 सेकंड के अंदर कैंडल जलाना है. I request you all to blow off the candle. थोड़ा और एक्साइटमेंट है समझ सकते हो मैं. But once we start the time, उसके 15 सेकंड के अंदर आप लोगों को कैंडल जलाना है. Right? So remember, once the whistle blows, within 15 seconds you all need to blow the candle. 15 सेकंड के अंदर आपको कैंडल जलानी है. Now, okay. Now, after 15 seconds, once again we will blow the whistle. Then the time is over. 15 सेकंड के बाद एक और बार whistle बजाई जाएगी. अगर तब तक किसी ने whistle नहीं बजाई तो that time is over. Please blow off the candle, please. Or the participants who are having it on will be disqualified by the winner. Is it all blown off? Shall I start now? There is still one candle there, I can see. Okay. Now, it's exactly 9:15 and we are going to start it. Yes? The time starts now.
पर कर दे. बल्ब लाइट पर कर दो ना.
Make it fast, friend. Yes! 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 I don't want the single participant to be left out. Wow! हर एक participant बहुत सारे हैं आप लोग. Hands up to nothing your members. Yeah. Great. That's really amazing. बहुत ही impressive performance दिया है country club के members ने and they are doing their best. I'm so happy to get all this time. I'm ready. Did you get this done? You all did it. Thanks to all of you. Thanks for all your cooperation. A special thanks to the witnesses, participants, and the volunteers and the office representatives, all the supporting teams on this board of records, and special thanks to all the country club members. Thank you all for being so supportive. Thanks. मुझे ऐसा लगा कि आप लोगों ने इसके पहले ही डिनर कर लिया था. कैसे करते हैं? Okay. So dear friends, the candle lighting event is over now, and we hope we have the pleasure to get into the world record. We hope the country gets the honor and all the English word of welcome for celebrating the Environment Day. Thank you, and you can kindly go up to candles now. It's really pleasant to be with all of you, and thank you all for your cooperation. Now we'll be leading towards the wonderful musical night and the stand-up comedian performance soon. We have a guest for 5 minutes, and then we'll start a rocking musical night. Excited?